In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash using the Coinbase app. Now, whether you're a seasoned user or completely new to Coinbase, I'll walk you through this process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you need to have the Coinbase app on your device. If you're already a Coinbase user, go ahead and open the app and sign in using your credentials. However, if you're new to Coinbase, you'll want to head over to the App Store or Play Store to download the app. Once it's installed, follow the prompts to sign up with your credentials. Setting up an account is straightforward and usually quick, so don't worry if you're doing this for the first time. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the navigation options at the bottom of your screen and click on Transfer. This is your gateway to handling money movements within the app, such as deposits and withdrawals. After tapping Transfer, the next screen will present you with a couple of options. You'll want to select Deposit Cash. Choose this option and remember, this step lays the foundation for moving your money into your Coinbase account securely and efficiently. You'll actually need to click Deposit Cash one more time to proceed with adding this cash to your account. This ensures that you're deliberate about initiating a deposit, protecting you from any unintended transactions. As you move further into the process, you'll be asked to select your preferred payment method for depositing cash. This is a crucial point because it dictates how the funds will enter your account. Coinbase offers three main methods. First up, you can use an easy bank transfer, which is simple if you have online banking set up. It's typically secure and fast, making it a favorite for many. Alternatively, you may choose to use a credit or debit card. Using a card can be convenient, particularly if you want quick access to funds. Do note, though, that this might involve some fees, so it's always good to double-check before proceeding. Lastly, if you've saved bank details in your account settings, you can select one of these saved banks. This option is particularly handy if you regularly use the same bank account for transactions, as it saves time and reduces input errors. After selecting your preferred method, it's time for the final step, confirming your deposit. Tap on Confirm Deposit, and you're all set. Your cash will then transfer into your Coinbase account, ready for you to use for your investments or any other transactions you have in mind. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of depositing cash into your Coinbase account using the app. Whether you're new or a regular cryptocurrency enthusiast, understanding this process helps you manage your funds with clarity and confidence. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our content, where we offer detailed explanations on other Coinbase features and cryptocurrency insights.